We're now in this section on graphing. This is an introduction to graphing. So what we have here is a coordinate system. Over here on the right, there's our coordinate system. We've got the x values along the horizontal axis, the y values along the vertical axis, and we've got a bunch of plotted points here. And what we're supposed to do is type in the ordered pair. All right, so let's see if we can get these. Now, the ordered pair, it means order because the order matters here. We're going to put the x-coordinate first, the y-coordinate second. So for part A, do you see A down here? I'm down here in, actually, let's name these quadrants. You can see that as you draw these, the vertical line and the horizontal line, you get this quadrant here, quadrant meaning 4, this quadrant here, and this quadrant here. Now, there's names for these. The quadrant up here in the very top right, that's quadrant 1. Go counterclockwise. This one over here, quadrant 2. Down here, we use Roman numerals, 3 and 4. So A is in quadrant 3. Now, what are the coordinates? So start at the origin and move out horizontally. Looks like we have to go out 8 units and then down 6. All right, so my horizontal is to the left 8, and then vertical is down 6. So I'm going to write that like this. A will be, okay, well, that's a little bit tight. So A will be to the left 8, and then down 6. All right, this is A. So what do we get for B? So let's locate B. Where's B? Oh, B's right here. Now, if I start at the origin, it looks like we have to go 2 to the left, and then there's no vertical movement, right? I don't go up, I don't go down. It's right on the axis. So no vertical movement. So I just go 2 to the left, all right? So -2, negative being left, and 0 vertical. What about C? Can we find C? Where's C? Oh, C's up here, okay, in quadrant 2. So where is it? Start at the origin. We're going to go to the left 5 and up 6. All right, so this is to the left 5, comma, up 6. And now D. Where is D? Right here. Oh, that's it right here. So where is it? Oh, it's straight down 4, right? So there's no horizontal. I just go straight down 4. So for D, there's no horizontal, so 0 there, and then down 4. Now, what about E? Where's E? E's up here in 1. To get here, start at the origin. What are we going to do? Looks like we're going to go to the right 2, so plus 2, and then up plus 5. So this one looks like, right, so this is E now. We're going to go to the right 2, up 5. All right, where's F? Way down here in quadrant 4. Here's F. So what do I have to do? I start at the origin. I'm going to go to the right, looks like 5, and then down 4. All right, so plus 5, down 4. So this is going to be F to the right 5, down 4. I think I've got them all. I don't see any G. Am I just missing a G? I don't think so. I think that's it. In problem number 2, we want to plot this point, 0, 11. Now, the first component tells you the horizontal movement from the origin. So I'm going to start at the origin. I'm going to go nowhere. I don't go left. I don't go right. I just go nowhere. But I do go up positive. I do go up 11 units. So move over here to the origin, right here. Oh, it looks like I've got it plotted already. All right, no left to right movement, but I go up 11. Kind of hard to see it. It's a pretty tight graph right there. But I go up 11, so we're right here. Right, that's the point 0, 11. We've got a bar graph here in number 3, and what we are supposed to do is express the data pictured in this graph. Right, here's the data pictured in this graph. So apparently this is 1999, this is 2000, this is 2001, and this is what? Sales in billions. Okay, letting the first coordinate represent the year, and the second coordinate the amount. All right, so look at this here. In the first one right here, they've got that one listed for us right over here. What is the ordered pair for the first bar? Well, the horizontals come first, so that's 1999. So let's write this here. So this is going to be 1999, and the amount looks like 14, and it's all in billions. All right, that's the first part. And then the second one, this is the red one. This is the year 2000, and we're at $24 billion. And then the third one is 2001, and we're at $35 billion. Well, what do you think? Determine if 5, 9 is the solution to this. Now, to this equation here, y equals 7x minus 4. Now, keep in mind that in an ordered pair, the first component is your x value, or the x value, and the second component is going to be your y value. So what we're going to have over here is that the x is 5, so I'm going to put a 5 into here, and the second value, the y, that's going to be a 9. So if you put those numbers in, I'm going to write it this way. 9 equals, now I'm going to put a question mark over here because I don't know for sure if it's equal yet. I haven't computed. 7 times 5 minus 4. 9 is equal to 35 minus 4. 9 equal to 31. No, I'm going to say no. So this is a false statement. So I'm going to say the answer to this question is no. 5, 9 is not a solution to this equation. So what do we think here in number 5? Is 4, 14 a solution to this equation? So the x value here is going to be a 4, so I'll put a 4 in here, and the y value is going to be a 14, right? So if I put a 14 in here and a 4 in here, what's it going to look like? Well, let's see. This is going to give us that 14 equals, I'll put a question mark because I don't know yet, 11 times 4 minus 4, I don't think so. 14, is that equal to 44 minus 4? 14 equal to 40? No, not equal. So I'm going to say no. This is not a solution.